View encapsulation. In this video, we are going to discuss about what problem is addressed by view encapsulation, what is view encapsulation, what is shadow DOM, what are the types of view encapsulation available in Angular. Let us understand all these things with a simple example program. Angular application is a set can be represented as a set of components. These components are reusable and independent blocks of Angular application. Each component has a template and the styles, CSS styles that are applied to this template. Due to the lack of encapsulation, all these styles belongs to this component global to the HTML document, and these styles may affect unwanted parts of the HTML. The same case occurs if some widgets or components from the external sources are used in HTML in Angular application. Let us try to understand the meaning of these statements with simple example program. Okay, now yeah, this is the simple application which was created by Angular CLI. Okay, we can see the four files related to the app component. One app module.ts, another one is route module related file. Let me create one component. Let me show. Okay. This is the way how we can create the component, and about this component we discussed in previous video. Kindly watch those videos for better understanding. Okay, let me create this component. Okay, now we can see the show folder. These files are related to the show component. Let me open this HTML. This HTML has the p tag where it shows some text. Okay, now if I open this component, I can see the selector where this selector can be used whenever we want to use this component in other components. Okay, suppose let me select this thing. If I want to use it in app component, I have to use this selector as normal HTML element. Let me save it. Let me run this application. Yeah, it compiled successfully. Let me run it. Yeah, I can see the text which came from the show component. Okay, now let us apply some styles to this component. Okay, yeah, this is the p selector. Okay, here I'm writing some CSS styles. Those will be applied to all the p elements in this component. Let me put some styles. For example, uh, pink. Let me take. Let me put some text color. Green. Okay, let us see how these are applied on browser. Yeah, we can see that styles background color pink and text color green. Okay, let me change one property of this component. Encapsulation, view encapsulation dot none. We will discuss about this why I made changes. Okay, now here suppose I have the p tag. Let me put some text here. Okay, let me save it. Okay, let me apply some CSS styles to this app component. Here also I'm using the same selector. Let me put font size some 100 pixel. Okay, here my intention is show component has some styles where it has background color as pink and green, color as text color as green. Okay, here app component should have the styles like the font size should be 100. Okay, let us try to find this here. Here if you see that, right, this is the parent component text where it is taking the CSS styles of show component. This is not expected behavior. Okay, to address this issue we have for view encapsulation. Okay, what is view encapsulation? First of all, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation is a fundamental feature of object oriented programming. This is basically enables the program to restrict to access the sum of the properties of the object from outside. In the same way, view encapsulation encapsulate template and its styles of a component so that those styles cannot be applied outside of that component. Generally, this can be achieved by using the shadow DOM, which will be created by the browser when Angular application renders on browser. Okay. Then what is shadow DOM? First of all, what is DOM? DOM represent document object model. If any HTML file is rendering on browser, internally browser creates DOM. DOM is basically in tree structure of objects. For each object represent each HTML element in HTML document. Okay, about this DOM in detail we discussed in other video. Kindly watch those video. Now, what is DOM? This shadow DOM is a hidden and separated DOM linked to the element in actual DOM. Okay, this shadow DOM has its own elements and styles, and these elements and styles has the local scope to that shadow DOM and cannot be modified by the actual DOM. If component is created by Angular, Angular creates a shadow DOM in browser. Okay, with this, Angular can achieve the encapsulation so that the styles belongs to the one component cannot affect other parts of the HTML element. Okay, basically this view encapsulation is controlled by using the encapsulation property of component decorator. This encapsulation property has the four values, possible values. View encapsulation none. That means no shadow DOM at all, so no style encapsulation. Okay. View encapsulation native. This is actually deprecated. Instead of this, we can use encapsulation shadow DOM. View encapsulation emulate. This is default option used by Angular application. If you are not specifying any view encapsulation type, that means that is emulate. Basically, it emulate the shadow DOM and provide the view encapsulation without creating the shadow DOM. Okay, if some browsers doesn't support the shadow DOM creation, then this option is best. That's why this is the default for Angular framework. View encapsulation shadow DOM. Shadow DOM is created to achieve this view encapsulation. Okay, let us modify the program and we will check that. Here in show component, I have changed it to view encapsulation none. That means I don't wanted to use view encapsulation. Because of that, the styles belongs to the show component affected app component. Let me try to modify this and check the output. Okay, let me use emulated. Let me save this. See the output. the styles which belongs to that show component are not applied to the parent component, app component. Okay, we can change it to shadow DOM, and we can see the output will be the same, but only the difference is if some browsers doesn't support shadow DOM, then we should use emulated option. Other than that, both are same. Okay, we have native option that is deprecated. We should not use that. We should use the shadow DOM. Thank you.